someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family.
I'm Pauline Sandere from Surgeon, Standard 6. I'm here at Uvua Medical Clinic. They have a quote that health is wealth. It further states that we treat but God heals. Here is Ian with me. He's going to take us through this.
Here we are going to talk about health sector and how the health is linked to the other parts of the world. You see in Kenya, it is a state whereby it is being helped by many other countries in the world. It is linked up with many other countries in the world. We try to make friends everywhere so that we could prosper in our health issues. See, in Kenya, the government has linked up with other many countries that can help us in the medical stuff that will help us, enable us to detect and to know and to heal cancer, and some medicines that have been produced that could reduce the chances of HIV being in our bodies, and like ARVs that help to reduce the chances of dying at a tender age.
See, in the global partnership, there was an organization formed to help curb the issue about health in many countries. Then curbing health issue in our country has brought about by the World Health Organization. That organization also has brought many machines in each and every country to help fight many diseases that were dangerous to the life of human beings, and it has also helped in the research of such diseases that could danger the lives of human beings. This organization was formed in order to curb the health issue in many countries, and it has also been a major contribution to the economy by helping the government fund by bringing the high-tech machines that could help in the reduction of cancer.